Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Super exciting times. The markets are heating up. They've been heating up for a while. We're nowhere near where we were last bull run, which really excites me. DEXs were at, 76, almost $80 billion in total value locked last bull run. We are only at $20 billion lending. There's more total value locked. There's more money in lending than DEXs right now. And so as the markets keep heating up, our earning potential for building a true DeFi business is only going to increase 4 or 5x from here. And we're already earning ridiculous money, but we're going to be earning more. So I'm really excited for that. That said, there's a dark side to this. As the markets heat up and people get more and more excited and all the YouTubers come back, more and more scams pop up. You see many YouTube channels who make their money promoting scammy projects. Now, I'm not judging that. If they're upfront with it and all that, I get it. But you as the user, please don't touch it. And I did a video a while ago. I just want to, again, I'm not trying to cast stones at any certain individuals. That's not my point at all. People can do what they want to do. I just want you educated on what happens behind the scenes. I posted this video here a while ago. It was about a project called Tickheist or something. Lasted a couple days, of course, and then every YouTuber deleted their videos around Tickheist, which is super, super funny. This is a message I got from them. I want to show you how this works behind the scenes because it's crazy. I get messages on Telegram and WhatsApp every single day, and they go something like this. Hey, we can pay you money to promote the project. So they pay me $1,000 to make a video on it. And then they can deposit $6,000 for me so I can show my YouTube audience, hey, I invested $6,000 into this project and I'm getting $222 every single day. And, you only need to make 2 videos per week, publish them on Monday and Wednesday, and continue to update them for 4 weeks. What do you think, buddy? And you don't want to read the rest of my message because I was like, you're an idiot. But basically they were like, yeah, all the other big YouTubers are doing it. It's a great project. And obviously I declined. How dirty is that? And I'm not talking about the people who promote it. I get it. Everyone wants to make money. Everyone's doing the thing. I'm talking about from this project and then people not being fully transparent with like, hey, this $6,000 I have zero risk in this project. I got paid to do this. And I highly doubt this project will be around for 30 days. And it wasn't. And so people got paid, project rugged, disappeared. And this is still happening. Every single day I get hit on Telegram or WhatsApp. Hey, do you want to promote this project? We'll pay you $300, $500, $1,000, $2,000. No, I didn't build my business around that. I built my business in True DeFi, where I get paid every single day, no matter what the market is doing. I think what scares people off of True DeFi is they're becoming investors. Your portfolio will fluctuate. This at one point was $6,600. At one point it was $7,200. Now it's $7,000. It does fluctuate. I don't care. I want this $200 per day in cash flow. And so, yeah, it does take a little bit of education and commitment, but when you do it, you're in control of your portfolio. It's True DeFi, and you are building a business that cash flows you every single day. Stay away from the crap, please. We're going to see more and more of it now that money's entering the market, and newer players are entering, and they're going to be fooled for this kind of stuff. Please stay away from it. I will do a video every 2 weeks to remind us on this because I know it can be tempting. It's like, oh my God, if I just put $6,000 in, I'll make $222 and then I'll lose it all. I won't get into anything where the downside is zero, as in like I'll be at $0. I don't care if you offer me 1,000% on my money. If there's a high probability that my balance will be zero, I don't take it because it's consistency compounded over time when it comes to financial freedom. I wouldn't have built the life and the portfolio and the cash flow and the business and the money if I always went for quick wins. I've been trained to just stay away from the quick win. Put the time in. Get into blue chip assets. Start building a base portfolio that pays you every single day and then grow those positions and then build more businesses, aka more pools, more positions. Provide a real service. If there's no value exchanged, then the project is not going to last. Nothing will last. No business will last. We have to provide a service. And by True DeFi, by actually becoming liquidity providers or lending or actually providing a service, we get paid fees or interest. And we're providing a real service. And I'm like, why why would you get into stuff where you get something for nothing? Because it's never going to last. Please let me know in the comments if this is landing. Please let me know. I know there's a lot of recovering kind of gamblers and degens. Just don't. It's not worth it. If you really need to scratch the itch, throw $10 in it, fine, gamble away. But we've had so many members who joined us who were like, I used to wake up every day and wonder if my money was still going to be in my portfolio. And it like took them a few weeks to get used to the fact they can go on holidays for 4 days, come back, they have more money than when they left, and they know it's good. They know it's safe. They know it's not going to zero because they're invested in things with fundamental value built into it. And then they're providing a service to get paid the cash flow. I need people to stop doing this crap. So I hope this video lands. If you do want to dive deeper in on this True DeFi thing, we do have a free course. You can get it at the website or CryptoLabsresearch.com/DeFi. I will leave the link below in the description. Or I'll put my mug in the middle after you have liked this video and subscribed to this channel. Stay connected to it because we're always sharing something every single day. After you do that, I'm going to leave some videos here and here and here and here, all centered and focused on true DeFi projects, real DeFi, building a DeFi business, and all the different ways we can do it. So definitely do check them out, study them, leave comments, get engaged. I'd love to have some back and forth with you in the comments. And with that said, I'm going to zip out of here. Appreciate you. No more ROI Dapps crap. Promise me that. And with that said, I'm going to get out of here. Peace.